All right, Green Bay memorabilia collectors. This is the video to find the winner of my Donald Driver Throwback Pro line. We'll check the time here, July 14th at 4:10 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got July 14th at 4:10 p.m. There's the list of our 21 entries. Let me line up Mr. Bose here. There we go. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Chris. Spot 11 is your winner. So, Chris, please get with me to collect your driver. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 14th at 4:10 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.